Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a chrome-like finish on your Glock slide. First, you must completely disassemble your slide, carefully removing all internal parts and sights. Next, thoroughly clean the slide using a suitable solvent to eliminate any grease, dirt, or existing debris. This initial cleaning is crucial, as any remaining residue can negatively impact the subsequent steps. Ensure the metal surface is perfectly clean and dry before moving forward. Once your slide is clean, the next step is to remove the factory finish. You can achieve this using a chemical stripper or by carefully sanding with fine grit sandpaper, beginning with a 220 grit. It is vital to work slowly and evenly across all surfaces to ensure a consistent removal. After stripping, rinse the slide thoroughly with water to remove any chemical residue or sanding dust, preparing it for the next stage. Now comes the meticulous process of achieving that mirror-like shine. You will progressively sand the slide using increasingly finer grits of sandpaper, starting from 500 and moving up to 2500 grit. For the best results, use a polishing machine or a rotary tool equipped with different polishing wheels and compounds. Buff the slide repeatedly with a high-quality metal polish until you achieve a brilliant, reflective finish across all surfaces. With your slide now gleaming, the final steps involve protecting your hard work and reassembly. Meticulously clean the polished slide to remove any remaining polishing compounds or fingerprints. Consider applying a protective clear coat or a very thin layer of gun oil to help prevent oxidation and maintain its luster. Finally, carefully reassemble all internal components and sights back into your slide, ensuring everything functions correctly for safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.